Welcome back. The New York Times has confirmed Playboy Club's arrival in Goa. Interestingly, the franchise is right now battling issues with outfit of the bunnies considering Indian tradition and ethos. What will the Playboy bunnies wear in Goa? Here is a report.
In a country where the introduction of American-style cheerleaders was quickly followed by orders that they put on some more clothes, the traditional cleavage-bearing, waist-cinching, high-cut bunny costume originally designed by Hugh Hefner in 1960 obviously had to be abandoned. But what to replace it with? That was the question put to Sanjay Gupta, the Indian businessman bringing the Playboy Club to Goa. Think of a modern Indian woman knows her way, who is educated and is assertive. We will be close to the traditional outfit. India's Playboy bunnies will be imports to start. Exports shipped in from the United States, Australia, Britain and other countries will handle the task initially. Bunnies are rigorously trained from a Playboy bunny manual. Mr. Gupta says the bunnies will not be serving drinks, they will be acting as hostesses. You have air hostesses, they are treated with respect, and the same will be true for the bunnies. Playboy plans to open 120 Playboy clubs in India in the next decade, starting with a 32,000 square foot location on the Kandoli beach in Goa in December. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A special subcommittee will investigate into the matter of ownership of plots in Goa industrial estates by the staff of GIDC. The subcommittee is headed by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and it will file its report in 2 weeks.
Irregularities and corruption in the allotment of land of Goa industrial estates is haunting Goa Industrial Development Corporation for a long time. Now, a special subcommittee is being constituted to investigate the matter of ownership of plots in Goa industrial estates by the staff of GIDC. Meeting of Board of Directors was held on Monday. After discussing the issue of irregularities and corruption in the allotment of land, it was decided to refer the matter to the subcommittee. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will head the 5-member subcommittee. Subcommittee will investigate the matter and will submit its report and recommendations to the GIDC board. The findings will be discussed in next GIDC board meeting, which is going to be held on 27th of November. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Prudent highlighted the apathy of staff due to inadequate spacing in Sub-Registrar's office in Ponda. Today we have the case of Excise office in Murgaon Taluka. There is no space in the office to store seized goods, nor is there any space for the staff to work in the office. The office premises is congested. They have demanded new premises at the earliest. Reporter Surendra Madkaikar reports.
Excise office जवळ 600 लायसनां आसा हितून आनी एक रुमाचें ऑफिस आसल्या कारणान हांगसर तांकां इतलो त्रास जाता की 14 ऑफिसर्स आसा 14 ऑफिसरांतले 5 जाणांक हांगसर टेबल्स आसा बाकीचे म्हणटा ते थोडे ऑन फिल्ड आसता पूण ज्या पद्दतीन हांगसर हें ऑफिस पळयलें जाल्यार एक्सायज ऑफिस जाल्यार हांगसर ह्या ऑफिसरांक बसपाक जागो ना तेंच्यांनी सीज केल्लो माल दवरपाक जागो ना सेफ्टी म्हणटा ती ना तुमचें ऑफिस आसा एक्सायज इन्स्पेक्टर ऑफिस तितूनच तुमच्या आता सगळा लिकर स्टफ केल्लो आसा ऑफिसर्स बसता कंजेशन जाता काय
हय मातशें थोडें कंजेस्टीस जाता बट आमी मॅनेज करता आतां तें कंजेस्टीस जाता म्हणून आमी ऑक्शनाक सांगलां आतां ऑक्शन जातलें न्हू थोड्या दिसांनी 20 तारखेर
तुमच्या हायर अपसाक बीन कितें कळयलां प्रिमायसीस जाय
प्रिमायसीस जाय म्हणून गमयलां आदी
जाय
मातशें
कितें प्रॉब्लेम फेस करता तुमी हांगसर प्रिमायसीसाक लागून कितें जाता कंजेशनाक लागून कितें जाता तुमकां प्रॉब्लेम कितें येता
प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे आमकां मातशें दवरपाक मातशें लिकर गुड्स सेज जाला न्हू तो दवरपाक मातशें आमकां हें जाता मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जाता ताका लागून कंजेस्टीस ना तितलें हें ना ताका लागून
सरकार हेजी नोंद घेतली काय कितें आनी मुरगांव तालुक्याक एक बरें ऑफिस एक्सायज ऑफिस करून दितलें काय कितें वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
All India Mela of the Transgenders will be held in Goa from 15th to 18th November. They will meet with fraternal love and outpour in their hearts. Anam Prem NGO shows love for them on every Mahavir Jayanti. Meetings will be held in different parts of the state.
Renowned personalities from NGOs experts and doctors will be attending the seminar. This seminar is basically to educate the population on the transgender and the society's behavior towards such population.
My appeal is to all the population here, MSM population, the transgender and the hijra population, and the people from normal society also, to come and get the benefit of her counseling. What I will say, that counseling is required for this population, but more than the population, we require counseling, the society itself, because when these people go for counseling, they are asked to, because of the lack of knowledge. It is not that something they have to change. We have to change our attitude towards these people.
Advocate Satish Sonak informed us more on the Mela.
That this is something that nature does with you. There are some things you can change your hormones, there are some things you can perhaps correct the congenital defects, and there are some things if you can't do, you have to accept as it is. Now from the angle of this counseling, there are two types of counseling which are there. One is the physical changes which are there, and one is the psychiatric changes which are there.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.